Hi, it's Amanda with Music Game Club, and this is our walkthrough of all 13 decks of Keyboard Kittens. So they are divided into two sections. The first 4 decks are just learning the keyboard, and then the other decks are matching notes on the staff to the keyboard. So deck 1 is white keys. The student will drag a kitten to C, D, E, F, G, A, B. And there are 8 different cute kittens that they can drag. Deck 2 teaches the black keys with sharp names. So C sharp, D sharp, F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Once again, there are 8 kittens. They're going to drag the kittens to the black piano keys. Deck 3 are black notes but with flat names. So D flat, E flat, G flat, A flat, B flat. Students will drag the kitten to the note name asked. Once again, there are 8 different kittens. Deck 4 combines the white piano keys with the black piano keys, both sharp and flat. So once your student has learned their white piano keys and once they're comfortable with swapping up their sharps and flats, this is the deck to give them to review all piano keys, sharps, flats, and white. Deck 5 starts the staff to piano key correlation. So instead of students tapping the correct answer, letter names A, B, C, instead they're going to tap the correct piano key. There is middle C designated on the keyboard so they can know where things are on the keyboard. So deck 5 features middle C position, the treble clef middle C, D, E, F, G, and the bass clef middle C, B, A, G, F. Deck 6 is another tap the piano key for the answer. It is in G position. The treble clef notes are G above middle C to that D above, and your bass clef is the G below middle C to the D right above middle C. Deck 7 reviews F position cards. Now this one does have a B flat because most students playing in the F position will be playing with a B flat. So this reviews treble clef F above middle C to a high C and F below middle C to the middle C on the bass clef. Deck 8 reviews all of the line notes in the treble clef. So E, G, B, D, and F. Again, tap the piano keys for the answers. Deck 9 reviews the line notes on the bass clef. So G, B, D, F, and A. They have to tap the correct piano key for the answers. Deck 10 reviews just the space notes on the treble clef. So F, A, C, E. Deck 11 reviews the space notes on the bass clef. A, C, E, G. Deck 12 reviews just ledger lines. So there are up to 2 ledger lines and the note goes above or below that second ledger line. So the bass clef is going to be the bottom underneath the staff, ledger lines B, C, D, and E. Above the staff is middle C, D, E, and F. And then the treble clef reviews the notes under the staff, G, A, B, middle C, and the notes above the staff, A, B, C, and D. Finally, we have deck 13, which reviews all of the notes. It reviews from 2 ledger lines below the staff to 2 ledger lines above the staff. So there's a lot of note review here, but before the student gets to this point, if there's any specific position or notes that they struggle with, we have all the other decks that they can gradually work to this point. We can't wait to hear how Keyboard Kittens helps your students with their note names and correlating notes on the staff to notes on the piano keys. Also be sure to check out our game, Keyboard Kittens. It's kind of a Candyland gameplay, and students absolutely love this. I am pretty sure it's become a student and teacher favorite already.